Are you looking for the best gloves for woodworking? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best gloves for woodworking on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DexFit Nitrile FN330 Work Glove. The DexFit Nitrile FN330 gloves have a comfortable, ergonomically snug fit for all fingers. It was created using lightweight, 15-gauge nylon and spandex that helps you do small, precise, and delicate tasks quickly and easily. It also has an excellent hand grip to prevent pipes from slipping, and it minimizes hand strain and fatigue. The gloves work well for various working environments, conditions, or applications where slippery objects may be possible. Due to its water-based coating, it is exceptionally breathable and thus comfortable to wear for extended hours at a time. Furthermore, its design and material enable you to work on a smartphone or touchscreen pretty effectively and without hassle. These Nitrile FN330 gloves can be easily cleaned by putting them through a washing machine. It also has a stylish and tight-knit wrist cuff design for added comfort and grip. One of its greatest strengths lies in its ability to be a multi-purpose woodworking glove. The Nitrile FN330 DexFit gloves are CE qualified and meet ANSI standards. Furthermore, they are free of silicone, and the manufacturer provides a 0% satisfaction guarantee or money back if you are not happy with your product. At number 2. Ironclad General Utility GUG Woodworking Gloves. The palms of these protective gloves are reinforced with artificial leather that doesn't shrink or perspire. This makes the Ironclad General Utility gloves suitable for use when doing heavy work. These best gloves for woodworking are more suited to simple manual tasks than workshop duties. This is because nylon backs and fingertips aren't long-lasting and wear out relatively fast in a workshop environment. With the terry cloth on the thumb's back, you can wipe away sweat and concentrate on the task at hand. As soon as you're through with a task and the day is over, you can machine wash these gloves. Unlike other similar gloves in the market, these won't contract when washed. At number 3. Ironclad Ranchworx Work Gloves RWG2. Ironclad Ranchworx Work Gloves is a heavy-duty glove which is impressively perfect for tough jobs like handling rocks, mowing the lawn, or operating ranch equipment. This glove will be the best friend for plumbers, ranchers, electricians, and construction workers. As the product is made with bullwhip leather, you need not worry about construction quality or performance. You can rest assured about its dexterity and comfort. The glove comes in 6 different sizes, so you can get the perfect size for your hands. The glove comes with padding in the palm area for added safety, and Kevlar reinforcements have been into critical areas, thanks to the Velcro closure that keeps the gloves in place while working. For the ultimate double-layer protection, the manufacturer used their patented roll-top fingertips. Not only these, the gloves included a revolutionary design feature, namely terry cloth sweat wipe. And the material of the product is absolutely machine washable and doesn't shrink when wet. At number 4. Mechanix Wear M-Pact. If you think of purchasing any Mechanix gloves, then the Mechanix Wear M-Pact leather work gloves is the best one. These gloves are manufactured and designed according to the professional's needs of a carpenter. Being made up of thermoplastic rubber, it helps in lowering the chances of pinching injury. To ensure optimal control, Mechanix's fingerless design will free your thumb, index, and middle finger. The knuckle guard and full-length finger protection are all that every woodworker needs for ensuring safety. The M-Pact leather work glove is manufactured to provide a functional fingerless interface to skilled carpenters. With this, they get greater flexibility while cutting, measuring, and framing the structures. The D30 palm padding responds to the pressure to retain and disperse energy while working. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.